Gentlemen, if you've noticed that your physical strength during intimate moments has decreased or completely disappeared, if your legs feel heavy in the evenings as if weights are attached to them, or if you get out of breath when climbing stairs, please stop right here. What you're experiencing is not just a sign of aging. That's a big lie we've been told. The bitter truth is that your body is facing a widespread circulatory crisis. Today, I want to reveal a secret that could not only save your marriage, but your life as well. The solution to this problem is not new chemical drugs with terrible side effects. The solution is hidden in your kitchen. There are 8 magical plant oils that can start cleansing your arteries in less than 24 hours, thin your thick and clotted blood, and restore blood flow to all your organs, especially the most sensitive male areas. The reason I insist you stay with me until the end of this video is the 8th oil. This oil is already in your kitchen cabinet right now, but you don't know the right way to use it to clear your clogged arteries. For most men, the first place where blood circulation drops isn't the heart or the brain, it's their sexual performance. This means that impotence in bed happens years before a heart attack, as a warning sign for you. Take this warning seriously today, so that at the end of the video I can share with you the formula for combining these oils together along with certain summer fruits to boost their effect up to 10 times. Let's be honest. How many times have you woken up in the morning with a headache and thought it was just because of poor sleep? Or when you walk to the trash can and feel your heart pounding in your chest? That annoying pressure behind your eyes, or the extreme fatigue that doesn't go away even after 10 hours of sleep, none of that is normal. Your body is screaming that your blood pressure has reached a dangerous level. Imagine your blood vessels are like the plumbing in an old building. When the pipes get clogged, water reaches the upper floors with low pressure. In your body, the upper floor is your brain, and the farthest points are your toes and sexual organs. When your blood pressure is high, the inner lining of your delicate blood vessels becomes damaged and stiff. This stiffening prevents the vessels from expanding to deliver blood where it's needed, for example, to support strong sexual performance. Many of my patients say, "I'm only 45 years old, why should I feel as tired as a 70-year-old man?" The answer is simple. Instead of flowing like water, your blood has become thick and sticky like tar. This blood can't deliver oxygen to your brain. That's why you experience brain fog and forget words. This blood can't reach your legs, which is why your feet feel ice cold at night, even under a blanket. And we live in a world where stress, poor diet, and prolonged sitting corrode our blood vessels from the inside. But I want to tell you that this isn't a dead end. You don't have to put up with this situation. In this video, I'm going to take you on a journey to learn how to wash toxic fats out of your body using healthy fats. I'll start with oils you might not have heard of much, and step by step, I'll get to the well-known oils in your kitchen. But before that, let's do something important. Before we get into the list of 8, I want us to do a quick experiment right now. Take a look at your ankle. Press your thumb on the bone of your shin. Did your finger marks stay on your skin? Do your feet swell in the evenings? If your answer is yes, write swollen feet or cold feet in the comments right now. Why am I asking this? Because I want you to know you're not alone. By sharing your experience, you help me understand which oil I should explain more about. Also, if you like this video, YouTube will show it to other men who might be feeling hopeless right now and think their abilities are gone for good. Your like means supporting men's health. Alright, let's move on to the first oil, pomegranate seed oil, the safety valve for your blood vessels. If you suffer from blood pressure headaches, this part is your lifesaver. The first oil I want to introduce is for those who always feel pressure behind their eyes. Pomegranate seed oil contains a substance called punicic acid. This substance is an incredibly powerful antioxidant that directly signals the blood vessels to relax and dilate. Research has shown that consuming 1 teaspoon of this oil daily can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 12 points. When blood pressure decreases, damage to the delicate tissues of the reproductive organs stops, and the blood vessels regain their elasticity. What's the result? Headaches disappear, and sexual potency that had been lost for years returns with a strength you haven't felt since your 40s. But black seed oil is the next oil, the extinguisher of the fire of inflammation. If you're experiencing brain fog, this oil is for you. Black seed oil contains thymoquinone. Chronic inflammation is like a fire that burns the walls of your blood vessels and makes your blood thick and sticky. This oil acts like a fire extinguisher capsule. Clinical trials have shown that black seed can reduce inflammatory markers by up to 30% and increase the production of the male hormone testosterone by up to 17% in 8 weeks. By consuming this oil, brain fog disappears, your energy returns, and you wake up in the mornings with increased physical strength. But the golden combination, oil and organic watermelon, is the secret that makes the effects of the oils 10 times stronger. Before the third oil, I should mention that your blood vessels need nitric oxide to open up. Combining the oils from this list with organic watermelon extract works wonders. Watermelon contains L-citrulline, which is converted into nitric oxide in the body. This combination causes your blood vessels to open up as wide as highways. But pumpkin seed oil is the enemy of swelling and heavy legs. If your ankle bone has disappeared, listen to this part carefully. This oil is rich in magnesium and zinc. Magnesium acts like a natural relaxant for blood vessel walls, and when the vessels open up, the fluids that have accumulated in the ankle return to the bloodstream. Within 12 weeks, your blood pressure drops by 8 to 10 points, the swelling in your feet goes down, and your shoes will fit comfortably again. This means your blood circulation becomes so strong that it can reach even the farthest parts of your body. But the fifth oil, sesame oil, is the rust remover for small arteries. For those whose feet are always cold. Are your feet cold even in the summer? Sesame oil contains lignans, which prevent rusting and oxidation of the blood vessels from within. This oil makes blood platelets less likely to stick together, so the tiny clots that block the small vessels in your fingers and sensitive organs are eliminated. After 4 weeks, a pleasant warmth returns to your hands and feet and the tingling sensation disappears. But almond oil means saying goodbye to blood that's become thick like syrup. If your blood is thick, your heart has to pump it with a lot of force. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and unsaturated fats, which lower bad cholesterol and triglycerides. This oil reduces blood viscosity or thickness by 15%. When your blood is thinner, oxygen delivery to the brain is excellent, your concentration increases, and your memory works like clockwork. But the seventh oil, avocado oil, is a fresh breath for your heart. If you get out of breath when climbing stairs, make sure to watch the rest of the video. This oil contains oleic acid, which eliminates inflammation in the arteries near the heart. Research shows that avocado can increase good cholesterol, that is HDL, and clean out your arteries. When inflammation decreases, chest tightness also goes away, and you'll be able to climb several flights of stairs without getting out of breath. But flaxseed oil is a lubricant for stiff arteries. This oil makes your blood vessels soft and flexible. Flaxseed is an omega-3 bomb. Omega-3 also makes the blood slippery so it doesn't stick to the vessel walls. This oil reduces dangerous clotting factors by up to 40%. With this oil, you can make hardened and calcified vessels soft and flexible again. This oil must be kept in the refrigerator. But our number one oil, extra virgin olive oil, the king of the kitchen, is an oil you might already have right now, but you're probably using it incorrectly. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, which acts like a natural ibuprofen and reduces inflammation in the blood vessels. The polyphenols in it polish the walls of your arteries and prevent new fat deposits from forming. Men who consume 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil daily reduce their risk of heart disease by 30% and erectile dysfunction by up to 40%. But the big secret is that you shouldn't cook it. You should pour it raw over your food. Let's review one more time. Aging doesn't mean losing your abilities. It means neglecting your blood circulation. We introduced you to 8 commanders. Pomegranate seeds for blood pressure, black cumin for inflammation, pumpkin seeds for swelling, sesame for cold hands and feet, almonds for thinning the blood, avocado for easier breathing, flaxseed to prevent clots, and olives for overall artery health. The secret to success is consistency. If you start tonight with just 1 spoonful of raw olive oil, you've taken the first step toward cleansing your body's pipelines. Within a few days, you'll notice your energy returning, your legs warming up, and that sexual vitality you thought was gone forever will come back to life. Alright, let me know in the comments which oil you'll start with tomorrow morning. Do you already have olive oil in your cupboard, or are you planning to get black seed oil? I read all the comments and will answer your questions. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now so you don't miss the next videos. Stay healthy and proud until the next video. Goodbye.